Hello, hello, hello, hello. What up, teammate? Bum, bum, ba-dum, ba-da, bum, bum, bum. All right, we are ready. So ready. This time we're gonna be playing duos because solo game mode has ended. Gonna give some colors to the game. One moment. Take us wherever you want, brother. Just go. Some color, more colors. This looks good. Good spot.
Enemy contact in my AO. Maintain silence.
Da da da dun dun
Get over
dun.
to that waypoint. Got a bad feeling about that. Request ISR. Area marked.
ISR rolling in.
One is here.
Alright, missions just got posted. Have a look and knock out what you can.
Oh, you want to carry this? I have one.
Marked. Hold here. Security out.
Someone has been here. We are reach.
Heads up. Enemy dropping into your area.
Oh, come. They're here. Let's get the high ground.
It's marked on your map.
We just dropped the fly box.
Check your mission.
Where have you gone, man? One is outside, on behind the orange car.
Danger zone. Watch yourself.
He's gone. Oh shit, he's camping. But he's kind of low. He's going to the... Okay, don't die. I'm coming. He was so sneaky, man. Just waiting all the time. Dun, dun, dun, dun, dun.
Jump off.
I'm gonna start the mission, okay? Let's compete together.
Enemy has you on the radar. Cut off the signal by taking out their sensors.
Marking mission objective.
Hostile shooter jumping into your area.
Rally on that location.
Man,
Mission was a no-go. Regroup.
why? This game is so hard. You can hide in the bushes, right? Yes, good spot. Dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun. Thank you, buddy.
Square yourself away. You're headed back in. I've got a signal detected nearby. Do what you can to find it and figure out what's going on. That heat's coming in fast. You've got the intel, use it. Enemy landing near you. Make 'em pay. This decryption could take a while.
Are you good?
Ready for counterattack.
We have great. Wait.
Custom weapon crate sighted.
With that intel, we'll have a better idea who these hostiles are. Good work.
Gadget marked. Position marked. Scale fire.
Copy. Stand by.
Position marked.
You're the last one standing. This is it. Copy your last. Rounds are downrange.
I don't know if they died or.
Kick it up a notch. You've got a lot of targets out there.
Get to that RV point. Move.
Maybe I can find the respawn beacon in the vehicles, right?
Contact enemy machine gun.
All right, new mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Get over to that waypoint.
Take it, man.
Marking a redeploy spot.
Come on.
Heads up. New mission incoming. Check your briefing. Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
Redeploy point over there.
Run away. I don't know what I'm doing.
Move to that location.
Heads up. Enemy dropping into your area.
Let's go, buddy.
Burn line incoming. Clear out while you can.
I got you.
I'll be on that position.
Get the airdrop, yep.
It's just you now. Make every shot count. Mission available.
What is this? Am I gonna die? What is this? So it won't work anymore?
Heads up. Your grid's about to be compromised by NXT.
Oh my god!
Didn't land this one. Reset and refocus.
Man, it was so hard. I don't get it. Why it stopped my vehicle? I wasn't able to move. Hello, Splash.
Yo, man.
Dun da dun da dun da da dun. Da dun da dun da dun da dun dun.
Well, man, you pick a spot.
Good to go for deployment. Post up.
Let's go. What is here?
Don't think so.
All right, we go full medic.
Heads up. Mission updates just came in.
I'll pick this.
Locator beacons are marked. Now 14 grabs, the quicker they calibrate.
Request Overwatch. Grid
Yeah,
as
well, you know.
indicated.
Yeah, you got it. On the way.
There's no one here.
No, it's very quiet.
Hey, watch your pace. The calibration won't work if the beacon is moving too fast.
Bam, bam, bam, bam, bam, bam.
That beacon yielded serious gains. Way to deliver.
Request Overwatch. Grid as indicated.
Roger. On the way.
Oh,
Heads up.
Danger
New
point.
mission incoming.
Head on
Check
exit
your
one.
briefing.
let's kill these guys. And open.
Yeah, we go.
Reference waypoint. Move there now.
They're crossing here.
That area looks off.
Oh, they're in the big building
Danger
now.
point.
Let's stay
Yeah,
together.
yeah, they-
Zip line, come. Let's get
Left
this
right on that RV
together.
point. Move.
They're going up now.
I Ah, no. Nice, man.
How fast he revived.
Stand by to jump off. You're headed back in.
Wait, why he left the game? Where we died? Oh, somewhere there.
Danger sighted.
It's okay. We're gonna do better solo.
New mission available.
What were you doing here, buddy? I need to change my weapons, man. 2 big scopes. Not good. I think we died here. Yep.
I got enemy in sight.
Oh my god. What a shot.
New mission is up. It's marked on your map.
He will say, what the heck just hit me? What the heck just hit me, man?
You have a hostile jumping onto your position.
Where? Oh, this guys have sniper.
Hostile shooter jumping into your area. You should have visibility on the Inferno. Adjust course and stay clear. Alright, new mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Footsteps?
Target is a high-value laptop. Retrieve the intel and pull the hardware.
Boss. Go, go, go, go, go. This thing goes to the right side or left side? No, no, no, no, no. Jump down. Jump down, come on. Should we go snapper? Who killed me, man? Someone else killed me. Oh, it's so hard.
Alright, you're out. Better luck next time.
Peekaboos in the houses, they never leave. Hello, Spooky.
You are good to go to deploy. Call it.
Contact! Enemy infantry! Move to that location.
Oh, he left the
Got a
game.
danger point.
What's going on?
Missions just got posted. Have a look and knock out what you can. You have a hostile jumping onto your position.
They won't see me here, right?
Cock and lock. You're heading back in. We've got a new mission ready.
Request FMV over my position.
Roger that. Stand by.
What's going on?
You are danger close to an airstrike. Clear out.
Idiots.
Check your missions.
They are idiots. Ah, come on, I was gone. I wasn't even there.
Your side's been wiped out. Next time, step it up.
What happens to my teammates, man? I don't understand. I don't get it. Why'd they leave the games? Da-dun, da-dun, da. Dun, dun, dun, dun, dun.
Easy approaching. Your priority is to secure
Hello, hello.
take out hostiles, and complete all missions thrown at you. Don't drag your ass. Stand by to jump.
No. No teammates.
Go for deployment. Give him hell.
Oh, good. We'll handle this.
Don't leave friendlies waiting. Get them back in the fight.
Yonel, when you died, man? When you died?
Your mission should be available, so get a move on. I'm counting on you.
Are you here? Hello?
Got your message. Reinforcements incoming. Hold tight till they redeploy.
I need you. Come fast.
Okay, here it comes.
Don't see me, please. I agree. Todos is much better. Come fast. I'm tired of playing without teammates, man.
Check your missions. Heads up. Reinforcements coming in hot.
All right. Hello, hello, Arnold Richie. Welcome. Do you hear me? Hello, do you hear me?
Yeah.
Go, welcome.
Good.
I have a question. Is this Europe server or NA server? North America or Europe server?
I don't know. I think I'm in EU.
Huh? EU, okay. Okay, okay.
EU, I think.
Okay, okay. If you are in EU, then me too.
All right, new mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Don't you have armor?
What?
Don't you have shield armor?
I need all the intel you can get on the hostiles. Secure as many beacons as you can.
Let's do the mission.
The team has, the faster they'll calibrate.
Need support at following location.
Roger that. Here it comes.
I don't know what's wrong with the game. This is my third game I play without teammates. And you came, but you were dead.
I spawned and insta died. Like you can look, I have 0 deaths.
Yeah, I know. It happened to me as well one day. So weird.
Yeah.
Mission complete. Keep punching hard out there.
Grab what you can. Gadget up for grabs.
No, still no loadout. Come on, man. Let's do this one.
Alright. You've got a mill-grade laptop in your area. Find it and download what you can. And once complete, extract the drive.
How long have you been playing this game?
I think almost since it launched, kind of.
You liked it?
Here we
Yeah.
go. Download started.
I think it's a good game, man.
The drive's ready.
I had so much issues with the game crashing, etc.
Keep your distance from those flames. Safety zone's
I
marked.
don't have any phone. Only lag. Or this big
Lagging, right?
Bring that data over to the exfil point on the double. Drone inbound.
Mine only crashed like 1 or 2 times an hour or 2 hours. I think I have fixed it.
Also, I was the guy in your chat that.
Oh, really? Oh, thank you for coming.
I saw you have a YouTube. I joined
Yeah,
you-
I usually do. Yeah, thank you. I have fun playing and sharing my experience. Are you a controller or PC?
Asset is secured. Keep it up.
PC, nice.
Oh, but yeah, now I switched to PC.
How was the experience? You like it?
Yeah. Nothing
Better than
bad.
better than
The
Request Overwatch.
free.
Grid as
the
indicated.
Free trial.
Hmm,
You got
nice.
it. On the way.
Okay, we have an age drop far away. Let's see if we can
Wait,
make the.
I want to
What?
put the sound loudspeaker, like, very
Enemy
cool.
comms marked. Grab
Okay.
positions and flatten the site.
I'm going to grab this mission so we can have our weapons.
You can talk now? See how it sounds?
Hello, hello.
Yeah, a little bit better.
Good.
Reposition. Move now.
There are enemies on the roof.
I'm gonna go on the roof.
Don't let enemy shooters near that charge.
They will probably wait for us.
Reference waypoint. Move there now.
You have time, right? Yeah, we pick our weapons and then we move.
Oh, big time.
Stay alert. You don't want to get trapped by the
Oh shit.
inferno.
Too close.
You've got a target-rich environment. Stay alert.
We have time, we have time, we have time, we have time.
Hostile weapon box back.
Tied that one up nice and tight.
Come on, Lionel. Watch out right side. They might be waiting for us.
Oh, go
That
on,
area
go.
looks off.
Please stop.
I think I saw someone here.
Move to that location.
Todos is the best, man.
You've got a new mission on the way. Review your briefing. Hostiles are after a beacon. You need to drop them or calibrate the one they're after.
Can we do this or? Yeah, I already finished it, man. It's too late. But we can try. I'm going in.
What the fuck, the game bug. Okay. You need to take it back.
Don't come. They are just camping. Left and right, man. I opened the door and I died.
Oh, this scope is nice, wait.
Where did you get it?
Oh, I don't know.
No, don't try it.
Another scope. Damage is wrong.
Yeah. Go somewhere else. You may find the spawn beacon on the ambulance vehicles, you know? It sometimes drops.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna go up. If someone with
Yeah, just go.
let's go.
Yeah, just go.
But do you see the sky? Or
Yeah, I see. Wow. Welcome to Battlefield.
never happened to me. Oh no. It's cool.
I think you should go to the right side and there is a spawn on a bridge. Just go straight. All the way straight. Yeah, this one. Yep. Yeah, his microphone is very quiet.
And you can go to get the weapon fast.
Yeah, I will do it.
Oh no.
He's next to you. Nice try, man. Nice try. There's no sound in this game. God damn it.
You want to play another game?
Play solo. Thank you so much for the game. Really appreciate it.
Yeah.
You're out.
me too.
Better luck next time.
Damn, man. There's no sound in this game. I mean, I heard, but it was too late. When did they land? When did they land? There's no sound. This guy was nice. At least he was speaking. Should I play engineer? Nah, let's go sport. Hello, Alif. Controller. He has to carry us. He has aim assist at least. I'm playing so bad, man. Batman. Hello, Ali. Do you hear me?
Okay, we are closing in on the drop zone. Now we need to find out what's going on, so keep comms open. You are cleared hot. Engage anything that moves.
I think your mic doesn't work, buddy.
Rally on that location.
There's a sound, but no.
Hi, bro.
Hello, I can hear you now.
What's your suggestion?
As you wish. But your mic doesn't sound good. Go wherever you want.
Clear the jungle. Go at your discretion.
Let's go to fight.
Let's go.
Face to face. Oh,
Back to back, face to face. Let's go here, right here.
Get to that RB point.
okay.
Move.
We are late, we
Careful,
go.
be careful.
We are late. Don't go there. Bro, your mic is so noisy.
That area looks bad to me. Contact! Enemy infantry!
Need eyes on my lockstep.
I have to mute this guy.
On the way.
I have to mute this guy, man. Squad management.
Ordnance
Oh my
inbound.
god.
Clear. Incoming strike in your vicinity. Move. Feels dangerous here. Use caution.
Need support in marked location.
Ordnance inbound. Get clear. Stand
You're
by.
fine?
Supplies incoming. Hostile dropping near your location. Incoming strike in your vicinity. Move.
Again?
Ordnance inbound. Get clear. Incoming strike in your vicinity. Move.
Again? What's going on?
Rally on that location.
Coming to you. Man, what the fuck is this weapon? Oh, we have scan. Oh, there were two, man. What?
Stand by to jump off. You're headed back in. Bound over to that location.
Contact enemy infantry engaging. Got enemy in sight.
Hostile shooter jumping into your area.
Feels dangerous here. Use caution.
Oh, everything's looted, man. There is nothing to loot. to loot. When they gone? They're right here. Don't go
That
there.
area does not look good. Secure that objective. Let's move. Contact. Hostile troops sighted. That area doesn't look good.
Got a new mission ready.
Fuck. Got kind of stuck here. Maybe go here.
Get to that RB point. Move.
Can maybe find something here.
Marking location for support.
Copy. Stand by.
They looted everything here. What a game, man. We take this and
Hey,
get
up on
away.
the right. PDW spotted. You need it. Grab it. Take what you can.
Check the mission. New mission is up. Mark on your map.
Oh shit, I couldn't run away, just run. Who killed me, sniper? Nice shot. Nice try, bro. Nice try. What a bad game, man. Ah.
You're out. Better luck next time.
We need to chill, I guess. Dun dun dun dun dun dun. Dun dun dun dun dun dun. عليكم السلام بخيراتي براكم بخيراتي سر شوا Ionel, it's you again. Let's do this time better.
Bro, what?
Yeah.
I think we're the only two real people that's playing this game right now.
No, I don't think so. We are two bots, others are real.
The other game I played,
Uh-huh.
a guy put down a landmine. The guy in front of him didn't even shoot him for half a second, and then he died. Like, no, I can't.
This game is hard. This game is hard. It has
Somehow I died, I respawned, and the full squad that killed me somehow respawned in the same place and just 2v1 me.
başım bırakacağım başım spas. Geldim 40 dakika buradayım nöbette izleyeceğim. Eyvallah gülüm canım benim cansın. Bu da oyun zor ya. Doğuz giriyoruz. Çok hızlı ölüyoruz. İki kişi bir anda maymun gibi saldırıyor üstüne. Hiçbir şey yapamadan ölüyoruz. O kadar zordur. Yeah, I also saw so many bad players and also it's situational. Sometimes you find yourself in a bad position then you die without being able to do anything. I think.
I find myself in every bad situation.
Abi arada adamlar konuşurken Türkçe çeviri yap. Dahiliz anlamıyor. Adam şey diyor ya.
You can die in two ways. Either you get sniped from the other side of the map, or you get covered by three squads at once.
Yeah. Happened to me as well. Bu adamla biz daha önceki maçta karşılaştık. Bir iki maç önce karşılaştık. Aynı takımdaydı. Bana da oynayalım mı dedim, ben sola giriyorum. Baktım bir daha denk geldik. Şey diyor. Takım arkadaşlarım çok kötü oynuyor. Bence ona hep bot diyor. İki kişi varız diyor. Gerçek oyuncu diğerleri bot galiba diyor. Ondan sonra şey diyor işte hemen ölüyorlar falan. Ben de şey dedim yani bazen bu oyunda hızlı ölebiliyorsun ama tamamen pozisyona bağlı. Bazen kendini kötü anda hissediyorsun. İki kişi bana saldırıyor falan. İş yapamıyorsun. Oyun zor yani dedim. Oyun zor. Let's go to combat training. I like this place. We land here, we win the game. Buraya gidelim dedim. Buraya gidersek kazanırız.
This time I'm alive.
Tamam, don't worry, we're gonna win. Mehmet attık korksunlar diye bizden. Biz şanssız, evimize boş çıkıyor. Silah yok. Lan bir scan ver ya. Scan'i iyi olurdu aslında.
Marking location for support.
31, 41 mermi. Bir mermi. There's a good weapon if you want. Lan silah nereye gitti? Allah.
On here.
I dropped a weapon here.
Missions just got posted. Have a look and knock out what you can.
Ben LMG alacağım ya. Mobility.
Area looks sketch.
Mobility düşüyor mu olsun? Heal up. Hide your shield.
No, someone there, bro.
Below. Below you.
Caution.
Yeah.
Nice. Die misses. Got you.
Alright, new mission is up. Marked on your map.
Bro, I missed so many.
I think there are more people.
Someone there? Oh, you're good?
Really? What the fuck are you doing there? His flash.
There you go, it's cool.
I'll chase this guys. He won't go far. Has to go to the right side. Bu uzağa gidemezler diyorum.
Check your missions.
Get to that RB point.
Oh here.
Contact. Hostile troop sighted.
Ben niye uçamıyorum?
Back to me.
Görmem lazım. Arkadaş bir saattir. Oh, in front of you.
Yep.
Careful. I'm coming to you.
like 70 HP. 72.
I'm trying to come to you. I'm far.
There.
One shot.
Danger area. Use caution.
There's one here.
Look suspicious. Watch yourself.
No, there. Might pop up there.
Heads up. We got a danger point.
Nice.
The area looks sketchy.
No, we need to win this game.
There was one more guy here.
Feels dangerous here. Use caution.
One shot.
Extra rifle marked.
Maybe I get sniper.
Let's do mission. Let's do mission.
I need all the
So we
intel
can
you get on the hostile.
we can get
Secure as many beacons as you can.
we are targeted.
The more your team has, the faster they'll calibrate.
You're just seeing the voice chat is doing cool.
Hey,
I
watch
might
your
be
face.
hear voice to
The
you,
calibration
but
won't
then
work.
Yeah, that team is
the
that team is going to that team is the hunter team. Careful, they got sniper. Careful. Öyle kalk, öyle.
Grab what you can.
They won't come. They
Oh,
won't come.
smoke it. Smoke. Wait, I can look at this way. Ooh, I can go
Got a
there.
dangerous location.
They are far. They are far.
That's no one else.
Target ne işe yarıyor abi? Target derken bu şey abi, bu görev yapıyorsun Warzone'daki gibi. Bunu yaptığın zaman sana drop geliyor.
Serious
Bak.
gains. Way to
Sonraki drop olabilir. Age drop. Böyle sana scam veriyor. Mermi getiriyor. Silah getiriyor.
Marked an NG. You need one. Anyone need a rifle?
Oh,
Güzel. Ama bu mermisi az ya. I'll drop this.
Extra PDW here.
Şimdi 50 saniyede 50 saniye sonra bir tane daha görev geliyor. O şey olabiliyor işte. Age drop olabiliyor. Yani senin drop'un olabiliyor. Aynen öyle. Amacımız şey yani. Kendi silahlarımızı alabilmek için. Bak güzel bir şey benziyor ama.
no people. Wait.
I think someone shoot from us.
Feels dangerous here.
Your
Use
current
caution.
position is going to be overrun by NXC. Don't
Oyun çok
linger.
kaliteli olmasa indirdim de
There's no one there.
bizi kaldırmaz mıydım?
Danger point.
Drone,
Head on
drone,
the
drone,
freeway.
drone, drone. Drone, drone.
Danger sighted.
My aim sucks. Gotcha.
No more UAV.
Hadi bir görev daha ver.
Yeah, just like to get on fire
Alright.
launcher and just
You got a
shoot all
middle
the
grade
UAVs.
laptop in your area. Find it and download what you can. Once complete, extract the drive.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna smoke them. I'm gonna smoke them. How do they see me? What the fuck? Adam beni görüyor.
Area marked. Send it.
Let's get the car. Let's get the car.
Roger that. Stand by.
Someone get the car. No car. Got it. Good job.
That blaze is closing in. You don't have long to get clear.
Lan.
No, why do they have the knife? Had the knife.
Ah, we are so dead, man. We are so dead.
Go this time around. Try
Do
again.
you have like a second chance?
I think yes. We didn't die yet.
Yeah, that's good.
Stand by to jump off. You're headed back
Kanka
in.
bilmiyorum, galiba benim ayağımı gördü o. Ama nasıl vuruyorsun ayağımı ya? Şerefsiz. Oh yeah, drop.
Seeing a custom weapon trade here.
Ooh, drop, wait.
Ben iyi bir silah alacağım ya önce. Benim silahım hangisiydi ya en iyisi? Çok iyiydi de. Sonra giden bir tane şey buluruz. Yerden sniper buluruz bir tane.
There's a drop there.
Let's go there too as well.
People there.
Hostile machine gun. Enemy machine gun.
So let me scan with the thermoscope.
Really? Are they here?
No, let me scan.
Yeah. Bir canımız var. Öldüğümüz zaman ikinci seferde girebiliriz ama çok geç olmadıysa. Galiba 50 takım kaldığı zaman, 50 kişi kaldığı zaman galiba.
Danger
You
area.
should
Use
the
caution.
UAV, yeah.
You know what? We need to get the yeah. Let's get the weapons and then go house. Come.
I've got a signal detected nearby. Do what you can to find it and figure out what's going on.
Çok geç olmadığı zaman geri gelebiliyorsun. Let's go get the weapons and go get a good place to stay. Oh, very, very close, very close, very close.
I got a bad feeling about that.
Where?
Why? Yo, this gun is. Where? Oh, sniper.
Come, go.
Seeing a custom weapon crate here.
Friendly, good to go to redeploy. Bring them in.
What? No. There.
Stay with me.
I have a sniper.
Let's go.
When to go. When to go left.
Reference
Heal up,
waypoint.
heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up,
Move
heal
there now.
Heal up, Lionel, heal up.
Nope.
Don't you have? Here.
Body armor marked.
Where is the sniper?
Get to that RV point. Move.
Wash out.
Where is that?
That one?
One right there. Another. I don't see it. I'm trying to come to you.
Gotcha.
You got the sniper?
Slap creative bro. Yeah, all that.
Why? Another spot?
Move.
No?
Creative bro, creative. Move.
Rally on that location.
One low.
I don't know where he is. That the guy. They're getting shot. Hello, bırakam creative.
Coming to.
Where's your Kurdi? Nerede your Kurdin? There was someone here, no?
I got a bad feeling about that.
Where's right there?
I'm asking because someone was pushing to the right side where you were before behind the car.
Marked combat vehicle trailer.
Now they are fighting here.
Look
Mission
suspicious.
didn't work
Watch
out.
yourself.
Next time, move faster.
I think they're behind the vehicle.
I think he went. His teammate was fighting with someone. I think he's no longer here. Okay, let's forget. We want to get
Spotted
another weapon
custom weapon crate.
and then we go.
Let's get the UAV off.
He's resing.
Marking a redeploy spot.
Oh, behind. Where'd they see?
Last one standing. Make it count.
Man, what is this game, man? What is this game? Ja men navase det gurke da.
You're out. Better luck.
Yeah, hopefully. İbrahim çavani hayati. Adam bir tık mal olmasa yetildi. ne hevalemin ne baş bu ya. Ez beşim خونه خوا تجربه هی اینا نزانتن چاوا خونه خوا تجربه کرد Kaya Çin'le Cihan Başa. Ya ne güzel solo vardı, solo mod vardı. Onu oynuyorduk, güzel gidiyordu ama şimdi duo oldu. Mecburen böyle şeylere katlanacağız. Yesterday there was solo game mode, which was fun, but today it's duos. There is no solo mode anymore, so I have to deal with this kind of players. Hello. Hello, teammate. Hope you carry me, man. I'm so bad at this game. Mijn god. İnşallah tu baş bilizi u emser Kevin. Best vam nadetin. Kere. Kere. Kere. Hey. Dilililililili. Bila kerbet bila kernebetin. No, there is no solo mode, bro. I mean, it changes. I think 1 week solo, then 1 week duo, or maybe two weeks. I don't know. I think it was 1 week. It changes, you know. 1 week is duo, and then other week is solo. Can you guys hear me? Sesim iyi geliyor mu? Çok mu geliyor, az mı geliyor? Patlama oluyor mu mikrofonumda? Nasıl ses?
All support in depth, so stay alert. You are greenlit to jump. Time to get dirty.
Let's go, the best player in the world. Let's go, you got this. Let's go here.
I don't like the look of this.
Shotgun? Okay. You're solo there.
Need eyes on my lockstep.
UAV is inbound. Hang tight.
You good?
Feels dangerous here. Use caution.
Very low.
All right, missions just got posted. Have a look and knock out what you can.
One is underneath. Nice. I think there's someone else.
Enemy landing near you. Make 'em pay.
I knew it, man. There was someone else. Oh, two teams. Run, Kurahara. Come, take this, come. Okay. Guys, your chat, your messages are in English.
Kills on your map.
Ya abi kötü bir şey yok. Kalitesiz sorma var oyunda ama şu öldürme işi kolaylaşması lazım. 2 şarjör. Yok gülüm ya, benim silahım iyi değildi. O silah iyi değildi, o yüzden değiştirdim.
Got a dangerous spot here.
Oh, camper. Oh, camper. Bro thought he was invisible. He had no choice, man. He was surrounded. Apex isn't the game, it's real life gunfights. Exactly, bro. Vallahi Apex koşu. Apex koşu. I'm gonna start the mission, okay?
We got a mil-spec laptop nearby. Secure it Start the download and pull the drive. Laptop is pulling data. Hold your position and watch your back.
اري خود زحمت برا. There was 2 teams, 3 teams I guess.
Move there now.
I'm sending in a drone. Hustle that data over to the extraction
All right,
point.
let's go. I don't have a gun.
Rally on that location.
I don't know why YouTube translates your messages to English. If you type in English, it's okay, but Toprak sen şey diyorsun ya Türkçe. Maalesef onu İngilizce çeviri, ben de çevirisine bakıyorum. Senin yazıda bakıyorum, alakası yok. Hiç alakası yok.
Bound over to that location.
Hadi hele.
Assets secured. Keep it up.
Gotcha. One more. Nice. We're cooking. Okay. Let's do one more mission so we can get a drop. Let's go.
Enemy has you on their radar.
You go to left side, I'm gonna go right side.
Taking out their sensors ASAP.
Yes, I talked to you both guys. When someone writes in a different language, for example, if you type in Kurdish or other language, YouTube automatically translates it to English, but very bad English. You know, I don't understand what you're writing. So we have one weapon, and then we go with this one. Oh, we're getting shot. We need to get away. Get away. I don't see this, guys.
Got something over here.
They're flying idiots. My weapon is so bad. All right, where should we go? We're in the middle of the map. Can stay here at the moment.
Bound. Watch your route.
Gas station.
Get that out. Move.
Kolay değil gülüm ya, kolay değil ki. Vurmak kolay değil ki o kadar. Öyle olsaydı Battlefield olmazdı, şey olurdu, Warzone olurdu. Too hard to hit enemies with this gun unless they are steady waiting. Let's see if we can shoot better. I had a better weapon yesterday. I changed the attachments. Now it's bad. Dün iyiydi kardeşim ya silahım ama
Get some ammo for you.
Take what you can.
we have one more airdrop. It's far. Yeah, it's far away. There was a guy here
Got a free
on the left
rifle over
side.
here.
I don't like the look of this.
He's still there. He's still there. He's still there. We have bad position, man. I don't like this place. We're shooting.
Fucking support. Taking fire. Doesn't look good.
Your right is not good? Really? Why? Tell me more. Oh shit. One HP. Holy moly shot.
Still dangerous here. Use caution.
Seni vuracağım. Sen de olsa gördük seni sıkıştığını.
Somebody
I don't
wants
see
this
him, man.
rifle to use?
I think he's gone, no? He's no longer there. I think this guy's friend died and he has to go to revive.
Check your missions.
Do we have one more airdrop? Yes, we have.
I've detected enemy surveillance in your
I need
vicinity.
my main
Destroy
weapon.
it. One down. Zero in on the next one and move fast.
خذ زحمته يا ودايما بياخدينا.
Good work. Cleared the objective and dumped the target on you.
Got enemy in sight.
Do I have a sniper? Do you need this?
Custom weapon box marked. Extra sniper rifle here.
Okay, let's go to sniper with the sniper. One shot sniper. Nice. We clean the area as well. Okay, we good now? Let's get the high ground and just wait them.
Ordnance inbound. Get clear.
We have to be careful, man. These guys are so dangerous. Like every mistake.
Rally on that location. Request overwatch. Grid is indicated.
Roger. On the way.
Let's kill these guys. They are in our minimap. They are very separated. I'm going to the left side.
Heads up, we got a danger point.
He's reviving. Gotcha. There's one more guy on the left side.
There's a redeploy point over here.
I saw him somewhere here.
Feels dangerous here. Use caution.
Where is? Cannot escape. Kaçamazsın kardeş.
Doesn't look good.
They're chasing me. Cover me.
Lots of shooters out there. Stay on target.
Oh, he's better than me. He's better than me. Run. My friend is so scary, man. Look at this guy. Yes, sniper, be careful. Where are my fucking bullets going, man? I hit him once.
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
They run away. 151. Come on, man, help me. Push. Where is he? What the heck? Where low? 167.
Alright, your mission is up.
Got one?
On your map.
Gotcha. Yeah, now this is our game, guys.
Enemy infantry engaging. That area looks bad to me.
You knock one, right? Push, push, push, push, push, push. This is now our game. Is this better? Nah. People here?
That area does not look good.
Let's get closer. They're still fighting. Can kill them. Don't be scared, bro. Just don't be scared.
Check your missions.
Yeah.
You're all done with missions. Drop hostiles, stay alive.
Heads up.
Are they?
Got a danger point.
Really? No one can watch us. Okay, let's keep moving to the zone. Let's get a good position. Tank.
Friendly, good to go to redeploy. Bring them in. It's just you now. Make every shot count.
Oh man. They got you. I need the team behind us. Wow, wow, wow. Oof. Bro, what is this?
Reset and refocus.
Everybody, there was someone on my left side. I didn't see him. قدامه malame خراب görün ya. Buranız hanım. Takım daha vardı galiba solda. There was one more team on the left side, very close. The first guy was far away, but there was one more team. Bir takım yakındı, bir takım uzaktı. All good man, all good. All good. We had a good fight. If you want, we can also play Overwatch. We can play Battle Apex. We can play different games as well, guys. Just let me know. I really want to play Overwatch. I think you don't know what is Overwatch, and you may like to see it It's a beautiful game. So beautiful game. Diyorum ki şey yapalım. Değişik oyunlar da oynayalım bence bu gece. Sadece Battlefield oynamayalım ha. Overwatch oynayabiliriz. Hello hello. Apex, eh? Apex. We can play Apex as well. But I think Overwatch is more chill. Overwatch is an old game, but there's a second version which is more beautiful, still beautiful. The game is very beautiful. Like graphics are crazy, like cartoonish, you know. When I play it, I feel like I'm in what is the name of the company where there Bugs Bunny company, you know, Bugs Bunny cartoons. What is that? I don't remember its name. Warner Bros. Okay, I feel like I'm in Warner Bros. Universe. It's so beautiful. Ben Overwatch oynadığım zaman kendimi Warner Bros. Dünyasında hissediyorum. O kadar güzel geliyor bana. 5 yıl önce Apex'i mahkum ettiniz beni. Apex güzeldir ya. Guys, we are 3,000 people here, but nobody liked the game. Like the stream. Come on. 3000 kişi izliyorsunuz. Bir like'ınız bile yok ya hepsi de ya. You like going hard zone or? Really? You downloaded it? It's a hard game, bro. It's a hard game. It's a hard game. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Parmak yukarıya basın. It's a hard game. Really. You have to be fast. You have to be very, very fast. And no mistake. For example, I commit a lot of mistakes. That's why I'm dying. That's why I die. I'll go to left side if there's no one. What you have played, bruh? Battle Royale or? You always die fast, okay? Until you learn the game. It's normal. Even me die so fast. I have like 200 hours. Oh, someone's here. No?
Your mission should be available, so get a move on. We're counting on you.
Yes.
Feels dangerous here. Use caution.
Let's get the shotgun and push these guys. I'm here inside house.
Move to that location.
They think I'm in the first floor. Idiot.
New mission available.
Now the guy run away, no? Like situations are very important. Wait, this one. Toprak is only playing Apex Legends because his PC is not good enough, so he cannot play.
Got it dangerous spot here.
Hostile shooter jumping into your area.
Target mark. Fire for effect.
Roger that. Stand by.
Careful.
New mission is up. It's marked on your map.
What's going on, man? Oh, he's one shot, man. He didn't die. In the balcony. I think you have good position.
Shit. Need a medic.
Hostile dropping
Nice.
to your location.
Thank you. You killed the guy on the balcony, right? I don't know how many were they. You can push them.
Heads up, we got a danger point.
God, this game's hard. Wow, look at this guy's. Nice shot, bro. Someone's here.
All right, new mission is up. It's marked on your map.
These guys have great aim, huh? Wallah billah. On you, on you, on you, on you. No one can kill my teammate, idiots. Don't you know it? Well, my teammate is dead, but
New mission for you.
at least
Details
we
on
have
your map.
his revenge. There's one more peekaboo. There is no reason why he's there.
Help is on the way.
He's there.
Stand by.
Take what you can.
Your current position is going to be overrun by NXC.
There's someone
Don't
on the
linger.
left side. Be careful.
Doesn't look good.
Stupid. Really stupid, man.
Take what you can carry.
I don't know who's shooting behind or where. Where is my stink? I don't see him.
Grab what you can.
Oh, it worked. This team is still on the roof.
Look suspicious. Watch yourself.
We have to loot, man. I don't have armor. I think they're gone.
I don't like the look of this.
Come, 1 second. armor.
Heads up! We got a danger point!
Guys, poor. Where? Okay, let's go. If you hit in the head, yes. Kafadan vursanız. Oh no, I'm coming. If you hit the enemy in the head, yes, one shot.
Anyone need a sniper rifle?
A good one. Where? I see. Let's close their way.
New mission is up. Marked on your map.
Enemy contact in my AO.
Oh, on left side. No, actually here. Nice. Man, this guy doesn't speak. I don't know.
Check your missions.
Got eyes on a sniper. Contact! Hostile troop sighted!
Be ready. No second chances after
Different team. What is going on? One more scan.
Overwatch. Grid is indicated.
Yeah.
Copy. Stand by.
Where
Take
am I?
what you can.
Watch it. Only one guy.
Boy is good to go.
I killed 3.
Leave anyone hanging.
Nice.
Hey, bird line incoming. Clear out while you can.
Thank you.
Take what you can carry.
And what's going on? Oh, Hola, what's going on?
Battlefield is still crawling with hostiles.
I don't understand, man. So many things happening. Sense.
Custom weapon crate marked.
Ve dinatiye ya. Sen kes happy with Daddy. You guys?
There's a gadget at this location.
Vallahi dinatiye bra. Ya.
I'll be in that position.
Enemy infantry!
Got enemy in sight.
Got a dangerous threat here.
Heads up, we got a danger point.
This weapon is good, but I miss a lot. I think we should push this, guys. Yes. If you get tank, you have tanks too. Let's close their ways. I don't like this big scope weapon, man.
Look suspicious. Watch yourself.
Cover me, reloading!
Careful, they have a good spot.
Check your mission.
This guy's one shot.
Look suspicious. Watch yourself.
Drop down. They run away.
Got a dangerous spot here.
Don't you have armor? Come. Get this armor.
Seeing a custom weapon crate here.
I need to switch my close range weapon, man. I have two big scopes. I need to go with a short range, you know? The big scope is not good. I already have a scope.
Heads up. Check
Sniper.
your map for new mission details.
This is good. Okay, let's fight with these guys. I'm ready. Turkish beer? Have you tried Turkish beer? Nice shot, buddy.
Got a vehicle
Hostile
transport
jumping
over
onto
here.
your position.
Someone just landed on us. Get the high ground.
You've got a new mission on the way. Review your briefing. Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Hit one.
Contact, sniper! Sniper contact!
I don't have any more missions for you, but that doesn't mean it's safe out there. Keep your
Oh,
guard up.
move. I smoked them. One shot.
That area doesn't look good.
Nice. And we have no armor. I will move first.
Bound over to that location.
You see how complicated is this game, man? There are so many teams in every corner, everywhere. You see? And there are so many teams. He's pushing. He's low. He has no armor. Right here. Here. He has no armor. Nice, he's dead. Okay, take cover. Trying to come to you. Oh. Come on.
Okay, I got you.
I'm still alive. How could it be? GG, bro. I'm still alive. What the heck? This game's so bad, man.
You're out. Better luck next time.
Nah, kuru İngilizcemizi kır abi. Do you want Overwatch? Guys, who wants Overwatch? Kim Overwatch istiyor? Overwatch or Battlefield? I don't know, man. This game is good. Oh, this game is good, but they are just so campy, man. They're just campy. Nobody's moving. When you fight, then everybody's shooting you. You know, look the way they play. Look. Thanks. Okay. PPT. What are you saying, bro? What should we play? Look. You're just so camper, man. I want to play Overwatch because I think Overwatch is cool. Overwatch is just so cool, man. Oh. You are not the only camper here. There are more campers. I think my microphone is so loud, so I'm going to increase the game sound.
KIA piling up. Keep taking it to them.
Bruh, I can't play like them, you know. I have to push. I have to push. Okay, we're gonna chill now. I'm going to switch to Overwatch. I think Overwatch is very chill, very good game. There is no campers. There is, of course, it's a different game. It's a different game, but it's still fun. So much fun. You have so many characters there. You have too many stuff to do. Maybe you will not like it, but I think I like it. Abi 3 dil birden konuşuyorsun. AQ aynı anda respect diyorsun. İspanyol olsa 4 olacak ya valla. Nereye kadar bira? Zamanı mı gel direce? Zamanı mı gel direce? Peki gire... نعم من تسك نقود من تسك نقود. Let's go. Quick play support. We can play tank. Yes, vote me my friends, vote me. I wanna be the president of the streaming world. You can vote me. Bana oyunuzu verin. Ben yayıncılar kralı olmak istiyorum.
Happy holidays!
Yürü be, yürü be, yürü be, yürü be, matlı merovi. Turco. Così mi nave Kurdi di bayağı vedere. Okay, we're gonna troll this guys. Let's see. Anime game. Yes, it's an anime game. I think it's a cool game, man. Look at these colors, look at this stuff, man. It's so much fun. Okay, I'm gonna be support, okay? Support character. Let's play with this character, it's fun. But do you see the colors, the graphics? Diyorum ki bra, oyun çok güzel ya. Baksana şu güzelliğe. Look at these graphics, man. Look at these graphics. It's crazy good. Look at this. Look at this cat. Hello.
Hi. Hey. Ni hao. Hey. Hey, look at you. Come and get me.
Objective unlocks in 30 seconds.
Woohoo! She's taking me.
Hold fast! Do not let them through!
I'm here.
Yeah, it's like Marvel Rivals.
I'll protect you. Hope you brought a change of clothes. I'm with the robot. Moving the barricade. Hey. Hi.
So the main objective is
Ni hao.
to heal
Stars. They've got nothing on us.
people.
No. Drowning him out.
Kill him, he's low, he's low, he's low, he's low, he's low.
Shoot. Help, they're on me.
Oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
I'll rinse you off.
No one can hide from my sight.
So, you are support, you can shoot, you can heal enemies, teammates. Oh man.
We're starting the push.
Go, don't run, man.
No big deal.
Gülüm ben sana cevap vermiyorum, sana cevap vermiyorum. Ben şey yapıyorum, oyun için yorum yapıyorum. Seninle alakalı değil yani.
Looking good. No worries, I've got you. Catch me if you can.
Oh shit, he was next to me. Gülüm öğrenemem, vallahi İngilizce şart, İngilizce şart. İngilizce öğrenmen lazım senin.
I'll get them this time. I'm over here. You can count on me. Nope. Over here. Over here. Heads up. I try what? Whoa, careful there. Feeling okay? Thumbs up that.
Oh my goodness. S3P, Marvel Rivals copied this game.
On my sight.
Marvel Rivals copied this game. We have to change the character, man. Should we go with this one? Let's go with this one.
Just builds me up.
Yeah, sorry man, we should help you more.
Bracing shield.
Yes, I think.
Do not let them take the lead.
Behind.
See one.
Take it. Man. Attack a character? Okay, I will do it. Next game. I really enjoy playing support, man. Support is so much fun. Support is so good. I really enjoy it. Come back to me. Come back.
Come here. I'll heal you up. I can protect you. Execute them.
Nice.
The barricade moving. Let's stop them. Looking better already. Barrier won't hold much longer.
Oh man, he was hiding. I will do. Bir sonraki yarışı alacağım. Atak karakteri alacağım. Nice. Inspire lasts 3 seconds longer when activated by whip shot.
Over here.
Okay, this is good.
One can hide from my sight. Sending care your way. I could use a hand. My ultimate is almost
The
ready.
enemy has the robot. Retrieve it.
Thank you. Hey. Shot. Get healed here. Shields under fire.
Oh shit, they broke my sheep, my cover.
Rally to me. I'll lead the way.
We got it. We got them all. God damn it. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, I don't wanna die.
Thanks. Can't heal you yet. Self-destruct sequence.
60 seconds remaining.
Man, stop it. I'm stuck, I'm stuck, I'm stuck. I was stuck in the middle, man. Hiç arasında kalmıştım.
Trust in the process. I am.
And just this game is so beautiful. Every character is very unique, you know. Bu oyun çok güzel kanka çünkü oyun çok tek ya. Bunun rakibi yok ya bu oyunun.
Sending care your way.
No one can hide from my sight.
Maybe we should train a little more.
10 seconds remaining.
Looking better already.
Oh, there was an ult. Ultum vardı adamda ya.
10 seconds.
My English is not very good, but you taught me yesterday. Really? Nah, bro, I didn't do anything. I did nothing. Okay, now we're gonna be playing damage, okay? Şimdi damage oynayacağız. DPS. I just enjoy playing this game as support. I really enjoy. Bu oyunu ben kanka support olarak oynamak çok hoşuma gidiyor ya. Aşırı. Ooh, look at this.
You are already dead.
This is good.
I have the devil's own mark.
Okay, let's play this character. We're gonna be playing DPS. Okay, Bracan. Kendine çok iyi bak. Şabaş, şabaş. Gene görüşürüz inşallah. Kendine cici bak gülüm. Kolay gelsin. So we're gonna be playing with DPS. It has 2 shotguns.
Traveling to the right.
Bu oyunu mu? Bu oyun güzel, bu oyunu. Ben bu oyunu hiç sevmedim, hiç. Oh, the match is started already.
Where's my team?
Where is my ability? Where is my ability?
They cannot kill me in a way that why we stopped.
Right. I am the queen.
Can't go up.
I have arrived.
Pick up your feet.
Gotcha, bitch. Where the fuck are you going?
Hi. Hey.
Get the high ground.
Flanking.
Oh shit. Nice. Collect souls gloves. Wow, he ran away.
Die.
I swear I didn't mean to do this. I didn't want to do this, man.
The grave cannot hold me.
I messed up with my abilities.
Surrender to my will.
Shadows coalesce.
Oh, kill him. He's dead. Oh no, man, come on. For this character, it's better to have a character who can heal in your team. Yes, we always have two healers, okay? These two guys are healer. These two guys are me, and this guy is damager, and this is tank. But these guys are always healing, always. You see? Well, this guy is not good, but okay.
Outnumbered. They finally got a fair fight.
I'd hate to be hello. Understood. The payload's not moving. Why?
I'm not here.
A bad omen comes.
Nice.
Beware the shadows. Much
Here we
better.
healed, nice. Oh shit, careful, careful, careful, careful, careful. This idiot couldn't kill anyone. I got my ult. I almost got my ult.
Let's take him to the wasteland.
Oh shit, I'm dead.
What's up?
Thank you.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. What the fuck are you doing here? No way. They were chasing me. Bruh, this game is the best.
Death Blossom is ready.
No, hit.
Making progress on the payload.
Bro, I can ult, I can ult, I can ult.
Is ready. Kill them all and get the payload moving.
I will ult.
Death Blossom is ready.
I need them come to me. They all have to be. Yes. I need to be. I need to be between them. No fucking way, I messed all my ult. Man. I messed my ult, man. There is no one. Fuck it. Fuck, man, that was so bad. I thought there were more people, but there's no one. So you basically push this objective while you kill the others. You're trying to push this vehicle to the objective, while one team is trying to push back, you know? We win. Well, I played bad, but we won. It's beautiful, bro. It's beautiful. Look at these graphics. has so much details, so much. This is how this guy played. Look. This is when I joined the game. The game was already started. Look at this guy, he's cooking everyone. We joined later and we did still perfect damage. And I normally don't play damager, but we'll make it better. So we have so many options, man. So many options. Look at these characters. You can, every character is unique. Every character is unique. Very good characters. This is like, this game is really amazing, man. I don't know how people not playing this game. I don't know. Crazy good. We're gonna keep playing damage and then we can play tank as well. I'm not good with tanks. I never tried too much. And then you vote your friends which played good. The healers were good, so I voted them. This game is not too hard game for your game. I think your PC, if your PC is not that good, you can play this game. There's no problem. This game is good. I'm playing on maximum settings and the game is still, why it says medium. I was using epic settings.
Choose your map.
Somehow it changed the graphics. So this is a cowboy guy. Cowboy. We can try as well. You vote for the map.
Welcome to reality.
It's easy. Let's change the link. Biguherinin. This is how you say, bro. Like you change your clothes. Çavat bejim Kurdi.
Someone needs to fill this saddle. Don't sass me.
There is water
I'll have
everywhere.
another. I'm
Is
the
that
quick.
not a safety hazard?
I'll have another. Hey. Yo.
Look at this game, man. Look at this. Look at this clothes. Everything's so cool.
Could you teach me a type? Echo. Over
No.
here.
Never did forgive myself for not stopping raids
Look at this details. Look.
Seems the world wants to make sure I never will.
I really love this game, man. Look at this beautiful game. Look. Which game has this character?
4, 3, 2, 1.
It's beautiful, man. I'm in love with this game. Oh shit. I'm gonna go from behind. They will hear me.
Hold up. You tangled with the wrong man.
Oh fuck, they are healing.
Need a doctor.
Come here.
Over here. Much obliged.
Oh shit. What the fuck are you doing? Oh my god, I'm dead. I thought I died here because I fell off the map. I thought
Dust off the boots.
we changed the clothes, our clothes. How do we say in Kurdi? How do we say in Kurdi? We change clothes.
I got you.
Ooh.
Thanks. I hear you. Thank you.
Duplicating the marker.
say so myself. It's
Fuck, man. I ulted, but there were so many. It's high noon.
Locked her better saving lives. Group up with me.
Halo status stalled. Let's get it
I need a
moving.
medic.
You see nothing. Oh, GG. Somebody heals me.
No one nearby to help. We're outnumbered. Stay sharp. I need a doctor. Good as new.
What the fuck?
Hold up. Very much obliged.
Bye bye, meow. Oh, we fucked up. We fucked up. He ulted. So when this guy character ults, you do no damage. You do no damage. My dialogue is kind of different. From Baku, we say okay, so it's the same. Yeah. That's what I mean. Jirk. We say the same thing. No man, he's one shot. Come on. Okay, we need to change the character. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. We need to go with something that we can kill enemies. This one.
From imperfection, we build a new world.
Guys, I'm going to portal.
Constructing my teleporter. Adjusting
God damn it, man.
The way is still open. Group up.
10 seconds.
Do something. Teleporter materialized. Aligned with myself.
No, my team is so bad, man. My teammates are so bad.
Duplicating remote.
GG's. It was fun. It was fun. All good. I liked our healers, but we damagers were so bad, and tank was so bad as well. Our healers were better, but we were so bad. I'm going to do something, okay? I'm going to reset my game. I feel like the graphics are not correct. I didn't do this. I did this, but somehow it reverted my changes. Let's quit and come back. I mean, their tank was better, but our tank wasn't competing well with their tank. Their tank was. So when you see the enemies, it's like a table game, you know. When you see the enemy characters are doing good, you have to change your characters to counter them, you know. It's like you throw a paper, no, not paper, a card. Then if your card is good, then it's gonna beat the character, the other card. So we didn't select good cards and they won. Look, when the enemy tank has this character, it has no shield. You can destroy it with this robot. You can destroy it with this one. You can go with this character. This character simply destroys that tank. So when the tank sees that he has so many counters, then he's going to change his character to this one. This one has shield, this one has shield, so everyone has to select the cards accordingly. We didn't select correct cards and we lost. Let's go with so check the graphics now. The graphics are ultra, okay? Everything's ultra now. It says custom because I didn't want to use this. Other than that, everything's on high quality. We make FPS 300. Let's go. This game is just beautiful, man. I'm in love.
Welcome to Valorant.
Look at this.
In hand, brain in gear.
Look at this.
Not too shabby. You should try my meatballs. No. Show them what you can do. I think I've made improvements to your face.
Oh shit.
Hello.
Coming in.
Bang.
Close your eyes.
My precious word.
Double.
Why, hello. You should try my... Hear me, baby?
Is that it?
Oh, hear me, baby? You should try my
Taking the
meatballs.
lead.
Hear me, baby?
Yes.
Oh, you should try my meatballs.
The norm.
She made me sleep.
Select a map.
Okay, this guy's healer. We have to have one more healer.
Traveling.
So I think if you play this game, you will like it. It's so much fun. This character, if you hit in the head, okay, you kill one guy.
Seek strength in stability.
Tank is absorbing all damages, holds the front line, so the damagers can do their work. If there's no tank, DPS damagers die so fast. Look at this, man! Look at this! Look at this beautiful game, man!
Need a lift?
Your worth is a hypothesis.
My ultimate is charging.
Whoop.
Hello. Hello.
5, 4,
So handsome.
3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming.
You can't
Stop the pain.
Enemy turrets destroyed. Vengeance will find you.
An enemy here.
The dead see you all. No one can stop.
Oh shit! I'm dead.
You have my thanks.
Man, heal me!
Need healing. Greetings. You can't hide. Enemy turrets destroyed.
Oh shit! No way! I died, man. So every character is so unique, man. That's the beautiful thing of this game.
Hello. Thank you. No. My ultimate is charging.
My ultimate is charging.
Are you satisfied?
Oh my god. What is that, man? He doesn't die. He killed me by mistake. He's the one that killed me, man. Yeah, this character is good, but it's so hard.
Don't get caught by that turret.
Can I go up?
Life protects life.
Man, pull me, man. This guy has ult, so if he ults, you have nothing to do, man. You'll die. What is that fail tell, man? What is fail tell?
I am ready to unleash the dragon.
Yeah, this character has good ult. You don't miss.
My ultimate is ready. My ultimate is ready. It's the
Surrender to my will. Relinquish your being.
I think we killed one guy.
My power grows. Enemy turrets destroyed.
An enemy here.
Vengeance will find you. I am restored.
I'm under attack. There, an enemy.
Enemy turret ahead. I'll find enemy turrets destroyed.
What the fuck? This guy's not dying.
With discipline comes focus. Scanning.
Oh, where's the door?
Life protects life.
So hard to hit with this character.
Power burns within me.
My tree's gone. Find cover.
Dead Sea
Guy?
I am ready to unleash.
Okay, so if I hit, if I sit here, then ult. I'm gonna ult. I'm gonna ult.
Here, my ultimate is ready.
Let him come. Let him come. Let him come.
I am ready to unleash the dragon.
And let him come. Let him come. Oh, let him come.
I am ready. My ultimate is ready.
You killed one? I didn't want to leave, man. But somehow, one guy saw me. I think one guy saw me. I don't know how.
Hunting is far from over. I'll find them. Minefield deployed.
Our tank is doing good, huh?
Surrender to my will.
He pulled me. Oh, man.
Greetings.
It was good that he pulled me to die. Drop.
Locking satellite sector.
What the fuck? Oh, man, don't do this, idiot. I will check for failed here, bro. I don't know what is it. Okay, now we're gonna change the character. I'm not doing good. I did damage, yes, but not too much.
Group up here. Teleporter materialized. Adjusting surface. My sentry was destroyed.
We lost. We lost. I didn't do good. Look, I died 6 times. I killed 6 guys. That's not good. We basically throw it. Is it the character like has gun like LMG that has too much ammo? Yes. Yes, there is. There's a robot. There is a robot. I don't want to play with OP characters, you know? I'm just trying to make the game interesting. If I just... There is, I would like to say, okay, this is too easy, I will get bored. That's why I play with different characters, difficult characters, you know? Now we can play robot. Robot has too much power. With it's a tank. It's a robot. He doesn't have an LMG, okay? There are 2 characters with... One is soldier. One is soldier. This one has a good weapon. But its ult not good. This one has aimbot. This one has aimbot. Basically aimbot to people. When you ult, it's aimbot. But we can try this. This is a good character. And you can one shot one guy if you look.
We're in this together.
You see?
All of us. Double kill.
With right click it has too much. First you kill, then right click.
Double kill.
Not this one. The other guy is the look. This one is basically aimbot. Look.
Every
I'm gonna ult.
needs a cause.
Look.
I've got you in my sights.
You see? I don't aim. So during the ult, you don't aim. It's crazy. But it doesn't take too long. Maybe you kill 2 guys. You do good with the ult if you sneak to the enemy's back line. Oh, this game has already started. Where's my character? This one. Okay, let's play aimbot. And I will show you how it works. Look at this face.
Every soldier needs a cause.
Yes.
Nothing in this world is deserved. Whatever
Yallah.
you want, you must take.
Hello. Thanks. You make me proud, soldier. Nice. You make me proud, soldier. Nice. Thank you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Impressive.
Round 1. Capture the objective.
Let's go. It's just a bit difficult to heal.
Get healed.
Difficult to hit the enemies. There is no aim down, you know? You fire. Has too much recoil. He's low, he's low. Run, run, run, run. He has too much recoil. So this is tank, you see? This is tank. The guy who killed me is the
I'm
tank.
still standing. No. No.
They also have a soldier.
That's better. No.
Good tank.
Thanks. Everyone heal up.
Idiot.
You needed a break.
Appreciate it.
Life protects life.
Impersonate somebody else. Setting up. My ultimate is almost ready. You picked the capture underway.
Bye bye.
Tactical
Look,
visor
I have an ult.
ready for
I have an ult.
deployment.
Idiot.
My ultimate is ready.
Okay, we go back. Okay, we're gonna go from behind. Don't see me.
I've got you in my sights.
Meteor strike.
Pulse munitions delivered to target.
Oh shit, they were two. Man, we killed two. How did we lose?
Hi.
Trailblazer's almost ready.
Fucking puncher. Fucking puncher, man. I was getting shot by other guys as well. Okay, I think we're
can't get away with this.
not doing good, but it's because the enemy team is better than ours.
Meteor strike. You're not even an effective criminal organization.
Watch out, I'm on fire.
Heals coming up. There are no sub. That's the stuff. I need healing. Feels
I don't need you.
Life protects life.
I've got you in my sights.
Oh fuck.
Deploy the move.
Bionic healing.
Nice. shit. This character has motorcycle, motorbike.
1-0.
It's fun, man. This game is fun. You see, we killed 14 people and died 3. The third guy is doing so bad.
Impressive. No, the Martinses put their necks on the line protecting you from Vishkar.
I only hope one day to return the favor.
If they ever need help,
It's
we're
good
all
if you
screwed.
play well.
You make me proud, soldier. All right. I salute you.
5,
Impressive.
4, 3, 2,
Hey,
1. Round. Capture the objective.
no.
Let's not draw this out. No matter how amusing it would be.
It's hard to hit the enemies with hip fire, you know?
Good things don't normally come this easy.
The objective is now.
Defense our objective!
Man, he's low. Oh, I got some other guys as well, man. She likes me.
I rubbed some dirt on it. Let's go. No.
Hey,
Hey.
sending care your way.
They're attacking me.
Careful.
Man, I'm gonna switch. I need to go something else. Let's go maybe
Still
this
got
one.
some fight.
Looks always
This
cry,
objective
never
belongs
fall.
to me.
One is good as also good.
It's my fault.
Hey, nah, you got game.
Have a rush, No, I missed.
Life protects life.
Let's shake things up. Feel it. Glad you got my back. Setting a hold. Over here. Hey, y'all.
Oh shit.
Shield buckling. Blocking satellite vector.
وريهم قوتك.
Oh fuck.
Defense our objective!
They ulted. It's a good one, but I think I like this one more. I like the other one. This one is better than the other one.
Running it back.
Team kill.
If you hit the enemy with the right click, then it becomes aimbot.
So much to see. So much shine. Steady, eh? Oh, hell yeah. Right on target.
Aimbot.
That'll be handy. Right there when I need you. Eyes on the sky. Laying down the law.
Run, man. I like this one more.
Nah. Attack that objective. Setting a hold.
I've got you in my sights.
What is this one? Damager or tank? No, this is DPS. I only play DPS. You see, this is tank. This is heals. You have all of this DPS only. You see, this is tank. This is damage. This is heal. I don't know what is this.
But I assure you, I've made no alterations.
So what if
I only played with this one.
even the most
I can't play.
can be improved with the stroke of a knife?
Oh,
Never mind.
If you say so.
Yeah, I only play now DPS. This is good character. Yeah, we got 20 kills this time.
Let's shake things up.
Oh shit. This monkey, man.
The objective is now
Clear them off our point.
Hiding?
Hey, it's getting off. We'll take them down together. Back on my feet.
I aimbot is easy.
Always hit my mark. There they are. That's feeling good. Nah, appreciate you. Thanks a bunch. Trevor incoming! Trailblazers almost ready.
I die, man. No. If you. Oh, I have. Oh, he's driving me. Nice.
I will not let you descend. My ultimate is ready. Eyes on the sky. Good work, Doris. Double. Target locked.
Oh, fuck. I
Let's
aimbotted
give 'em
him.
the business. Nah. Can one of y'all heal me up? Nah. No. Setting charge. Easy.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Ready to rumble? These enemies are taking
He aimbot. Do you see? I've got your eyes. You see? Look, look, look.
Got another chance. No way. Nah.
Oh, man.
We'll take them down. Nah. Thank you. Nah. Let's shake things up. Nah.
Oh, fuck, man. She ulted me very well.
Nah. That'll be handy. Trailblazer's not ready yet. Let's get together. Have luck. Thank you.
No, man.
Trailblazers ready to fight. looks dirty. You call it? Let's give him the business. Attack the objective. Eyes on the sky.
Someone died? God damn it, man. Oh my god, he's driving me.
Thanks. I thought I was done for.
Killed one, but wasn't enough. Ooh, it was us. That was so bad. Look, this guy died 20 times and killed 13. I died 13 times, killed 30. So he says, thanks for 19 dead.
I'm not in it for the glory.
RPG. And I never play with this character, you know? I'm always playing support. Like playing support. So now we're gonna try this with this character. If you have good aim, you can kill people with one shot. But of course, I'm so bad. Ibrahim, you're going. Good night, Shabash. Ashwaba Braidalal, Sir. Thanks for the company, man. I appreciate it.
Vote for a map.
Too late, bro. It's too late. Today I slept in the afternoon, so I don't have sleep yet. Go sleep, please. Shabash. My bad.
Now arriving at Lijiang Tower.
Herbici Braidalal, Herbici Shabash. Hafız. Search Abraham. Bye bye. Hello.
We're in this together. All of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No.
Round 1. Capture the objective. Negative. Let's move out. Come in.
No.
Come in.
No.
Hey! Hello?
No.
Boys?
Group up here.
Hey!
Them down. Gotta stay on your toes, soldier.
Double. The objective is now.
No. No. Good stuff.
Affirmative. Thanks. Come in.
Good to see you.
You're welcome.
I'll find them.
Negative.
Come in.
No. Clear out.
Hello?
No.
Over here! I got you.
Enemy
The
here.
objective of our foes.
I need healing. Die.
Oh no.
I'm not a fan of setback. No.
Oh, they are not taking this point.
Breaking them down.
Man, stop this.
Come on, Vivian. Get yourself together. No. Not so fast.
Doesn't consume you. Bring in the rain.
No. No. You're powered down. Get in there. Negative. Just try to stop me.
What's up?
Score 1-0.
Maybe one day we'll go on missions in Hawaii.
From imperfection, we build a new world. Nothing. The world is a dream not yet realized.
You're welcome.
Greetings. Nothing. I understand. I quite know. Photon barrier is charged.
3, 2, 1. Round 2. Capture the objective.
Group up here. Group up. Group up with me. Sentry in position. Group up with me. Enemy turret ahead. Raksha Pranali Sindhit Karne. I am taking the objective. Is anyone coming? Double turret. No. Nothing. No. Okay. Group up. Group up with me. I understand. Nothing. Yes. Acknowledged. No. You bring order to chaos. Nothing. My ultimate is charging. Teleporter materialized. Group up here. No.
You want that louder?
No. Dhanyavad. No. Behold my field. My turret was demolished.
Minor perk unlocked.
Enemy here.
Doesn't consume you.
Hello.
Photon barrier is almost ready.
Good job, man.
No kills. Send all you want. I'll cut them down.
Photon barrier is almost ready. Yahi param vastavikta hai.
Barrier has been overwhelmed.
Double victory.
Nice kills.
MVP.
Just like
Epic.